morning, guys. So today is another day, and today we are going to the castle on the top here in Ohrid. So let's go. So guys, before I can go up to the castle that is right here somewhere, I just bought some, this is called burek. It's, yeah, I don't know how to explain it. There's some cheese inside, and I also found finally some Pepsi Max that I'm going to drink and eat right now. So this is called the Old Town here in Ohrid, and you can see we are on the way to the top, and you can almost see the castle here. It's actually not very far away. Whoa, I'm already sweating, so let's see the view. I'm almost on the top, but not yet. We still have a little walk to do, so yeah. This looks freaking awesome. And here we are. Holy shit. So this is how it looks. It is pretty sketchy, I think, but yeah, we can do it. Damn. Look at this. And please don't ask me about the story because I don't know it. I'm not the best at history, but I'm the best at finding nature. Holy crap. I was about to fall down. This is pretty fucking cool. But I promise you this. This was a sweaty experience. Really sweaty experience. Oh. Look at this. Oh, I think I know. No, I don't know. But look at this. I thought I knew which beach that was, but I don't know. But this is pretty crazy view. You would never thought that you could find this in North Macedonia. But yes, it is right here waiting for you to come and visit. So next up, I'm taking these stairs. Damn. And what is this? Whoa. Any ghosts in here? Nope. Maybe Casper is in here? Casper? Nope. Casper isn't in here. Sorry. This is really sketchy, actually. I'm not gonna lie. And from here, you can see the whole Macedonia. No, just Ohrid. Just wow. This is pretty nice. And you know what? I'm going to take my drone out and fly and see what's going to happen. So guys, I was thinking that I might should give you an update while I'm walking here. I have some news. It's bad news, I think. it might be. I have sold my Nissan 200 SX. Damn, sorry. I got a good offer that I couldn't refuse, so I had to sell it. So now I also have more time to concentrate on my F250. Soon I might get another one, a new car. So we will look at that, but that was a small update. So yeah. So you guys, that's it for this trip. I don't know if I have anything more left today, but to end it, you can see the view here.